Hi, people. So, hello. Today's video is just me throwing rubbish and ingredients on the internet, honestly. So, first of all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for coming back. If you're new here, like and subscribe. I post food videos all the time, and I'm trying to post some lifestyle content as well. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be trying fruits that I didn't try in Nigeria before I left, or more like I didn't have access to. Not because I'm broke, but it wasn't common as much back in Nigeria, and I have about 6 fruits. Yeah, the first one up, peaches. But it's frozen right now, so I'm not sure if I'm going to get the best out of it. I don't know, but yeah, we have peaches, and then there's this thing like a melon. I'm not sure. And then I have like figs. I don't know if you can say it, but I'm going to wash all of this and come back. And then I have passion fruit. I'm going to cut that. And then I have some raspberries. I wanted to do blackberries as well, but I tested it off camera and it wasn't nice. So I was like, get out. And then I have some cherries. If you're in Nigeria, you know that the cherries we have is like the ones that are like soaked in stuff and they use to top cake. So I'll just put all of these and be right back. So at this point, I'm just going to like prepare the fruits, peaches, cut like everything and just like try to get it ready. And then I realized that I had no idea how to eat some of these things because I'm like, am I supposed to just slurp it or whatever? So I just like did a random Google search. I've prepared the fruits here and they look something like this, and now we're just gonna try it out with some cherries. Fingers crossed. Okay, let's go. It has seeds. No one told me that, but it has seeds apparently. I just spit on it. But cherries have seeds. Nice. I look like this. Okay. We're using raspberries next. I think these are raspberries. First, the shape makes me feel weird because it's like it has like some holes in it. But we're gonna try it. Let's see. I like how it feels on my mouth. It's like it's like so hairy, so soft. Honestly, all these berries, they are scams. Because just like strawberries, this is also very sour. I believe this one is not sweet. Let me try around. I'm trying to be fair, this one is sweeter, but it's still kind of sour. It's not. Moving on. The peach. This one I think is like apple. I'm squeezing my face. That raspberry scared me. I wasn't sure what to expect. This one is frozen, so like I said, I don't think I'm getting the best taste from it, but they're okay. Like an apple. But like a softer apple. That's what to me. That I see. Yep. It's a fab. So this guy I'm actually excited about because I've not had it. And I've always seen it like all the fancy thing is, and they say eat it with a spoon, the pulp and everything. So I'm like, okay, let's try it. If I'm disappointed, I'm going to die. But okay, let's go. This is how it looks. Like I'm squeezing the out. It's tangy, but it's not bad. It's very tangy. I don't know. I need to drink some water. Next up, I have the melon guy thingy. I think this should be like a watermelon, honestly. But let's go. Let's dig in. This is actually really sweet. Oh, nice. Best thing I bought today. Asopad. Oh, really nice. I like a watermelon, boy. It's sweet. It's very flavorful. Very sweet. Wow. I like really bang this one. Very nice. I'm going to sit down that version. Oh. Exactly. Hold on. I have one last thing left. It's about to do. Once it's not sweet, I'm giving up on food. Yeah. Nah. I want to. This one's like 10 minutes devouring the melon, to be honest, because it was the best so far. But let's try a few and see. If not, I have some more melon to go and cleanse my palate. Okay, so fig loading. Let's see. I'm worried because we are supposed to bite into this one. What if I bite this in and it's not sweet? What will I do? Oh god. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Very soft, by the way. Like, see. Very cool. The insides look so weird. Oh my god. I don't know why I thought to show the inside. It looks so weird. But I'm gonna taste it because I really don't want to, but like, I have to. I don't really like how it smells, honestly. I'm so sorry. Pretty glowers. I'm so sorry. Nah, it's enough for me. I don't like how it smells. I don't think I can chew it. Nah. So if you're watching till now, thank you. I've eaten my lip gloss review, but thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe and comment what else you'd like to see me explore in the abroad. What are the food things that you like to see, and even lifestyle as well? Just let me know, and trust your girl to always deliver. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Have a nice day, guys. Bye. This is very sweet. Yeah. All right.